So this is another AI tool that just went under my radar, and it is called Gemini Co-Drawing. It is a tool that was made by someone from Google and was released, I think, a few days ago. This tool is based on Gemini 2.0 native image generation. So from the demo that you can see right now, it is a simple AI tool where you can draw something with a cursor or maybe with a stylus, and then you can ask AI to fill the gap. You can ask AI to draw something else based on your previous creation. And the best part is that it will follow your own style or your own characteristic of the drawing. So the final picture is going to look like it was your own creation, even though in reality some of the part of the picture is or was made by AI. And there are some other examples that Google has provided in their X account. There is this example of a triangle with a face, but you can ask AI to multiply them and it will create more triangles with faces, but they look a bit different and yet they still somewhat follow your own style of drawing. Pretty interesting. And then there's also this where you can generate or where you can create just 2 steps and then you can ask AI to complete the whole staircase based on your styling. There's also this picture where someone's creating a tree and then they are asking to generate a snake around the tree, and the result is just pretty fascinating. It's really natural. It doesn't look too perfect like the way AI picture usually look. It is natural. It's really like a human drawing. Now, if you want to try this tool, it is available in Hugging Face, which I'm going to leave the link in the video description. But let me give you one example here. I'm going to create a car and I'm going to ask AI to complete the drawing of a car. So this is the car. Hopefully it's not too bad. Okay, like that. Now I want to ask AI to please add some windows to the car. And it will create windows that look like a human drawing. You see, it's not perfect, definitely, but that's exactly the characteristic that you want to get from this kind of tool. If you are seeing something or an image that looks so perfect, like spotless, it is usually AI. But with this picture, it's difficult to tell whether it was made by AI or entirely made by someone else, by a real person. So yeah, I think that's pretty amazing tool for visualization, annotation, or maybe illustration. You can definitely use it. And I'm going to leave the link in the video description. And of course, this model is open source, so you could run it locally on your computer. But yeah, that's basically it. That's one tool that just flew under my radar this week. And I think Gemini or Google just releasing so many features that I just cannot keep up with all the new things that they kept adding into the internet. But anyway, if you want to see more videos like this one, or if you want to see more AI tools that you can use right away, feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.